8 signs you have cancer and don't know it. Have you ever wondered if you might have cancer and not even know it? It's a scary thought, but the reality is that many people overlook early warning signs and delay seeking medical attention. In this video, we'll be discussing 8 signs of cancer that you may not be aware of. By the end, you'll be armed with the knowledge you need to take control of your health and potentially catch cancer early, when it's most treatable. So, let's dive in. 1. Unexplained weight loss. One of the most common signs of cancer is unexplained weight loss. If you're losing weight without trying, it can be a symptom of cancer. It happens because cancer cells consume a lot of energy in the body, leading to weight loss. For instance, pancreatic cancer can cause weight loss. If you're experiencing unexplained weight loss, it's important to consult a doctor as soon as possible. They can determine the cause of your weight loss and run any necessary tests to rule out cancer. 2. Fatigue. Another sign that you may have cancer is fatigue. If you're feeling tired all the time, it could be a sign of cancer. For example, leukemia can cause fatigue. Cancer-related fatigue is different from normal tiredness or fatigue. It's persistent and doesn't improve with rest or sleep. If you're experiencing fatigue for an extended period, you should consult a doctor. They can evaluate your symptoms and run tests to determine if cancer is the cause. 3. Changes in skin. Changes in the skin can be a sign of cancer, such as new moles or changes in existing ones. It can also be a symptom of skin cancer, which can cause changes in skin color, shape, or size. It's important to pay attention to any changes in your skin and get them checked out by a doctor. Early detection of skin cancer is critical, as it's highly curable if caught early. 4. Persistent cough or hoarseness. Persistent cough or hoarseness can be a sign of lung cancer. However, other types of cancer can cause coughing or hoarseness as well. If you're experiencing these symptoms for an extended period, it's important to consult a doctor. They can run tests to determine the cause of your symptoms and rule out cancer. 5. Changes in bowel or bladder habits. Changes in bowel or bladder habits can be a sign of cancer, such as colon or bladder cancer. If you're experiencing changes in these habits, such as constipation, diarrhea, blood in your stool, or changes in urine frequency or color, consult a doctor. They can run tests to determine the cause of your symptoms and rule out cancer. 6. Difficulty swallowing. Difficulty swallowing can be a sign of throat or esophageal cancer. However, other types of cancer can cause difficulty swallowing as well. If you're experiencing this symptom, it's important to consult a doctor. They can run tests to determine the cause of your symptoms and rule out cancer. 7. Abdominal pain or discomfort. Abdominal pain or discomfort can be a sign of various types of cancer, including ovarian and pancreatic cancer. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's important to consult a doctor. They can run tests to determine the cause of your symptoms and rule out cancer. 8. Blood in urine or stool. Blood in urine or stool can be a sign of various types of cancer, including bladder and colon cancer. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's important to consult a doctor. They can run tests to determine the cause of your symptoms and rule out cancer. Conclusion. In conclusion, these are 8 signs of cancer that you should not ignore. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to consult a doctor as soon as possible. Early detection is key to treating cancer, and by being aware of these signs, you can catch it early and improve your chances of survival. Remember, don't wait for symptoms to become worse. Get checked out by a doctor if you have any concerns. Description: are you aware of the early warning signs of cancer? It's important to be vigilant and aware of any changes in your body that could be a sign of cancer. In this video, we'll be discussing 8 signs of cancer that you may not be aware of. These include unexplained weight loss, fatigue, changes in skin, persistent cough or hoarseness, changes in bowel or bladder habits, difficulty swallowing, abdominal pain or discomfort, and blood in urine or stool. By being aware of these symptoms, you can potentially catch cancer early and seek medical attention. We want to emphasize that experiencing any of these symptoms does not necessarily mean you have cancer, but it's always better to err on the side of caution and consult with a doctor. Don't ignore warning signs and put your health at risk. Watch this video to learn more about these potential warning signs and take control of your health today.